Hi, I'm Nikki, and you're watching Matchline TV. Do you get tongue-tied while speaking to strangers or office colleagues? Does the thought of giving a presentation or speech to a group of people send a shiver up your spine? Do your knees go weak and you wish you could be anywhere else? Don't worry, you are not in a minority. The fear of speaking is rated as only second to the fear of snakes and before the fear of dying. Whether this is something you deal with or you're little is fearful of, we hope this episode is helpful for you. People who can speak in the presence of many people are considered to be smart, intelligent, and outgoing, whereas those who prefer to be quiet are considered to be not as intelligent. Effortless ability to speak is construed as intelligence. This is not so. Your intelligence has nothing to do with your public speaking ability. It's all in the attitude. Once you can make yourself believe it's no big deal, you can speak in front of tens, hundreds, even thousands of people. Just don't give your mind over to scary speculations. Be yourself, be clear of your words, and try to like the people sitting in front of you. Here are a few tips you can use to improve your speaking skills. They can also be implemented during day-to-day workplace interactions. Why do you want to speak? Once you know why you want to speak, your confidence gets a boost. Is it important for your business? Is it important for your job? Are you pursuing a noble cause that you want to promote through your speech? Or do you just wish to put your point across? Think hard about why you want to speak and write it down on a piece of paper and then read it over and over again. Is it worth taking the risk? If you find yourself saying yes, then half the battle is won. Make eye contact. Look in the eyes of your audience. Try to make as much eye contact as possible. It will put you at ease, and it will also help make your point with conviction. Be flexible. To keep yourself in a relaxed state, keep your body flexible. Don't stiffen your shoulders, arms, and legs. Take a deep breath and imagine yourself in a favorite vacation spot. Use your posture and body language to your advantage. A relaxed posture is a good posture. Ask questions. Asking questions make your speaking sessions interactive. Get their input. You begin to converse with your audience, and this makes you comfortable. You strike a friendly note with your audience, and they no longer seem intimidating. Listen. If you listen well, then you can speak well. All good speakers are good listeners too. If you listen, then you know what other people are thinking about. By listening, you gauge the atmosphere in the room and you can adjust yourself accordingly. Speaking is not an art, it is not a skill, it's just a form of expression. The moment you are true to yourself and the people around you, you can speak well. We hope this is helpful for you, and remember, we're here for you because you're there for them.